Earning $1,000 on YouTube in just 30 days is ambitious but achievable with a clear strategy and strong work ethic. Choose a profitable niche with high demand, like personal finance, tech reviews, or gaming, to attract advertisers. Create high-quality and engaging videos. Use clear audio, compelling storytelling, and visuals that resonate with your audience. Optimize for YouTube SEO by using keywords in titles and descriptions. Tools like TubeBuddy can help identify trending keywords. Post consistently. Aim for 2 to 3 videos per week to build trust and engagement with your audience. Enable monetization with Google AdSense if you meet YouTube's partner program requirements to increase your earnings. Promote affiliate products in videos and include affiliate links in descriptions to earn commissions on purchases. Create and sell digital products like ebooks or courses within your videos for additional revenue. Collaborate with other YouTubers to reach new audiences and boost credibility, increasing your views. Promote your content on social media platforms to drive additional traffic to your YouTube channel. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and asking for feedback to build a loyal community. By combining strategies focusing on high CPM ads, affiliate sales, and selling digital products, you can reach your $1,000 goal.